Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with a nice and easy guide in terms of how to replace the carbon brushes in a Rupes Bigfoot machine. This guide goes for the Rupes Bigfoot LHR15, LHR21, LH18 rotary, LH16 rotary, LHR12 Duetto and the LHR75 mini Bigfoot. I've got to admit that this task is incredibly easy to do, and depending on how often you use your machine will inevitably mean that at some point you will need to replace the brushes. A replacement brush set can be purchased from many different online retailers for around £7. The first thing to do is to remove the fixing screws on the back of the machine. There's around 8 in total, and once they have been removed you will then be able to remove the rear casing. This will open up the internal wiring and running gear of the machine, exposing the old and, in my case, some seriously worn out brushes.
Cool.
A good indication that your brushes need replacing prior to taking your machine apart is when you can visibly see extensive sparks through the vented section on the machine. But do bear in mind that the brushes, even when brand new, do spark a little. However, when they become worn, they spark excessively and it is very noticeable. With worn brushes, the machine will not function quite the way it did when you first purchased it. With the new brushes fitted, however, the machine is going to run much smoother and far more efficiently. Remove the old brushes from the machine, which are clearly visible, and do take note of which way round they fit back in. Make sure to take a mental note or even a photo to put you in good stead with getting the new brushes the right way round. Unclip the old brush and take it out of the machine, then carefully clip the new brush in, the same way round as the old one, and slide the brush into its housing.
It's going on YouTube, isn't it?
Yeah. It's probably not going to get many views, but it should help people out.
Make sure the wires are all correctly and neatly tucked back into the machine in their designated areas. Again, by taking a photo prior is going to give you photo reference for putting the machine back together exactly how it was before. I'm not going to lie, this is an incredibly easy job to do and one that takes around 10 minutes to complete. Ensure all wires are neatly tucked into the centre section of the machine and tighten up the screws to put the machine back together. A test runs shortly after to make sure that the machine is running right, and if yours is anything like mine, then you should be able to notice a big difference. I've had my machine for around 3 years and it has seen quite a bit of use, and since changing out the old brushes for some new ones, the machine certainly feels like it's been given a fresh lease of life. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, just search JP Details, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.